my grandfathers were both rangatira in their own right, and they both spoke te reo Māori. On the marae, they were experts in whai kōrero, and there were little prompts every now and then that they would give to us as children that would ensure that we were heading in the right direction, in the right pathways. And our parents are starting to do that now for their mokopuna, for their grandchildren. So those are the dynamics I think are still there between our whānau, between our mokopuna and our pakeke, our kaumātua, about leadership. And although we might have a lesser number of people who can speak te reo Māori, those values are still there within us, and I think it's about regenerating the energy and that spark to allow people to remember what that means.